Though we are we are the follower of Vajrayana teaching, in that Buddha said there's no samsara ultimately. Yes, it's true. There's no ultimate ignorance. Very true. There's no ultimate suffering. Absolutely true. Because when I had some physical problem, like fall down and break my arm, then that ultimate pain, I just pass out. So human mind can't handle ultimate pain. There's no such thing as an ultimate pain. Yeah. So this way, the sentient beings in samsara are started from very simple thing, not recognizing primordial wisdom within, uncorruptible primordial wisdom within, the pure Buddha within. Without recognizing this so special thing, wish-fulfilling gem, like a sky, like a sun, so bright, so vast, so limitless. When we don't recognize, then it becomes I. I is so limited. When you write, it's just one line. You know, even when you write just like that, that's it. It's not sophisticated. Yes. And when you say others, you have to write few characters, you know. And so this way, this most precious thing become most limited thing. Marik wangi rarik datutul. Due to ignorance, self-recognition, self-liberation is mistaken as I. So I attachment, I anger, I jealousy, I pride. All these things develop out of it. When those things are there, then there will be action from it. And actually, our body and our mind are embodiment of each other. Our mind and the whole universe in which we are dwelling are embodiment of each other. Not only that, everything in the entire space are embodiment of each other. But then we manage to make ourselves so small and limited and pathetic. As a result of that, then we have so many defilements. I give you one example. Jealousy. You know, jealousy. So terrible. When somebody doing well, you are not happy. That means when that person is not doing well, you will be happy. Om Mani Padme Hum. Yes. Buddha bless us. Buddha bless us. This shouldn't happen. But this happens all the time. This happens all the time. And some of my friends will say, yes, this happens because it shows that we are alive. I don't agree. And then some of my friends says, yes, this happens this is because we are human. I don't agree. Humans are supposed to be better than animal. And animals don't have that much jealousy like human. You know? Animals don't plan to undermine each other like humans. I don't think so. And of course, they fight with each other for some food, that sort of thing, but not in a deep level like we humans. So this way, the primordial essence, when not recognized, then it becomes negative. And except for that, there's no suffering in absolute existence. No. There's no ignorance existing absolutely. No. Absolute is joy, compassion, love, kindness, wisdom. Primordial wisdom. That's ultimate. Yes.